The smell that kills most home sales. Descent your space. This is home sellers tip number 6. Rob Roham here with Compass Real Estate. Stop masking any smell in the house with heavy plug-in air fresheners. Buyers find it suspicious, as in if you're hiding something. Instead, focus on clean, neutral scent. Uh, Boil a cinnamon stick, light a vanilla candle, or simply air out the house really good. Fresh air is always better than overwhelming perfume smell. Aim for clean smell in the house. Rob Roham here, broker with Compass Real Estate. 35 years in the business, over 1,400 properties sold. If you like more information, please call, text, or email. DM me here or subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.